Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Vlogmas video. My family and I are going to be making Christmas cookies. My sister is getting salmonella.
So good.
But yeah, we're going to be making Christmas cookies. Her and my mom bought dough at the store today, and then Mom is going to make her homemade icing and really? Yes. And we are going to be making Christmas cookies, so I thought it'd be cool to film this and have this as a Vlogmas video because I want to do Vlogmas, which is a video every single day, month of December. So, and Mom just came in, so let's get this party started. First, step number 1, wash your hands. So I'm gonna go and do that. Okay, we all washed our hands. Hillary's trying to get half a cup of flour. She spilled a lot of flour in the sink, but you know, that's just how it be sometimes, you know?
It won't come out.
Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of the flour.
We are now kneading in half of a cup of flour. Insert time lapse.
So the dough has been kneaded. The next step, I think, is rolling it out and cutting it, right?
Yep.
Hillary. The first batch is about to go into the oven.
Can I switch the rest?
Yes, Hillary. So Hillary and I are going to continue the process of cutting out cookies, and I think I'm going to try and do a time lapse of the cookies in the oven. So let's see how that works. So we finished pre-cutting all of the rest of the cookies, and the first batch has come out of the oven, and we just have a timer set for until we can take these off the tray and set the next batch in. My sister went upstairs to do her homework, and my mom went downstairs to do laundry, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna let them cool and then take them off and then put them in and just continue this until it's time to ice them by myself. When it's time to ice them, I think I'll be helped. I don't know, they wanted to make Christmas cookies and I was like, oh, I want to too and I can vlog it. Then everyone ditched, so yeah. Okay, hello Christmas cookie vlog. So we finished all of the Christmas cookies. Well, I finished all of the Christmas cookies. Hillary had to do homework and my mom doesn't feel that good and I have a slight migraine, so yeah, I texted the family group chat and was like, hey, anyone want iced cookies? No one responded, so I'm taking that as a no, and I'm like, cool, I'm gonna go shower and go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay tuned for the rest of my little Vlogmas series, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time this month that I upload a video. So yeah, until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!